Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. So this is another LP which I purchased from eBay from UK. So this is another Goldfrapp LP in my collection, and this is the Tale of Us. And as you can see, it incurred a custom duty of 876, so 880 rupees. The postman took from me, and the declared value was 16.47 GBP. So they did not open, they just stamped it on 27th April. It landed in customs, as you can see, postal appraising section. And 25th April it was, 25th April it landed, 27th April it was cleared, and it was delivered to me on 8th of May. So fairly decent shipping times. And this LP also comes along with an audio CD. I just ordered it for shits and giggles. So let's see. Alright, I think this is Chalkies. So they have stuck this really nice. I think the only option is to slice it through. I'm not making a deep cut as to not ruin this. Oh my god, they have packed it really nice. Okay. Full marks for packaging. They did a really great job. Oh, I do not ruin the actual jacket. God, this is the real shit. Okay. Tales of Us. Okay, let's remove this packaging out of the way. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, this is 180-gram audiophile vinyl. Includes exclusive poster and CD copy of Tales of Us. Joe, Annabelle Drew, Ula, Alvar, Thea, Simone, Stranger, Laurel, Clay. Alright, 2013. So quite an older acquisition, almost 10 years since it was released. Since this is a gatefold, I think we'll have to get rid of this shrink wrapping, which I like to preserve. So okay, yeah, found a place where I can stick the knife. Yes. Yep. The great unveil. So in the first flap you have this audio CD and this poster. Okay, these are the lyrics. Nice. This is the poster. Every Goldfrapp album comes with the poster. So Allison, here is Allison. Okay. It's a treat. I know it's a digital LP. It's the pure digital recording which has just been pressed on an LP, but nevertheless. So quite small playtime. Okay. Nicely stamped CD. Manufactured by Optimal Media GmbH. Okay. Tales of Us. Cool. No compact disc digital audio logo on this one. Mute bank. Alrighty. Time for the big reveal. Yes. Nice. Hey. 180 gram heavy vinyl. Goldfrapp, Tales of Us. Here you go, guys. This is the Tales of Us. There you have it. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.